Hey everyone! Welcome back to Maddie's Creative Corner. It's so good to have you here. Today, I'm going to be showing you how you can recreate this easy jeans-inspired nail art for beginners. I really hope you guys enjoy watching this video, and without further ado, let's get started! So for today, I wanted these nails to last only for a while, so I decided to go with some sticky tabs and some full cover press-on nails. As you can see, I've applied the sticky tabs. I'm just removing the little plastic on top of them and pressing the right size nail onto my nail, holding it firmly for a few seconds so it sticks, and then letting go. I just repeat the same process for all of the nails. It's super simple, super quick, and it really doesn't harm your nails. It's perfect for wearing for a few hours, and I just love it. As you can see, they're on, and they're on pretty well. They're not going anywhere. They're pretty strong. The only thing I want to do to these is just take a file and just file the little tabs on top of them so they're smooth. And I'm not going to be buffing the surface. I'm going to go straight in with a base coat to all of the nails. And let's just see the colors we're going to be using today. First up is this color by Quick Gel called Petrol. Then I have this one from Luxe Nails, it's number 11. And also this beautiful white polish by Cristian Artesio, as well as a transfer foil gel. I'm going to be using my little dish, and I'm going to be putting the colors on there. And for this tutorial, I'm going to be using just a very long detailer brush. And jumping straight in, we're going to go into the white first and just start painting lines down the nail. You can make them as thin or as thick as you want. I went for thinner stripes with the white polish because it's very intense, and I just wanted to make the main color of this look be the more brown color. I'm just going to be repeating stripes on all of the nails of different thickness, and then I'm gonna go in with the second color, which is this beautiful brown color, and I'm gonna be covering a much larger area of the nails with this particular color. Again, your lines don't have to be perfect. And of course, you can use any colors of your choice. They don't have to be these particular ones, but my best friend told me that these colors together just look so good and they're so pleasing to the eye, and I just definitely wanted to go for them. And last but not least, we're gonna go in with a blue color. This is far stickier and I really like it. It shows up a little more blue on camera, but it's a little bit more greenish in person. I think in the thumbnail you can see the true color a lot better. And also, it is important to tell you that I went in with 2 coats of all of the colors so that they showed a lot better and more vibrantly. I pretty much just filled in all the gaps with this blue color, and after curing that, I went on with the velvet top coat or a matte top coat. These colors look so good together, I just love them. So after finishing that and curing it, they look super nice. We're gonna go straight in with the transfer foil gel, a dotting tool, and the brush I used earlier, and we're just gonna paint thin lines in between the colors. If you've never worked with transfer foil gel before, you just need to apply it. It's very thick so it doesn't really get out of place, and then you just cure it and you apply your foils on top. I got this one from AliExpress. It was super cheap, like €2.50 I believe. So yeah, it works really well and it's super affordable. I also like to put little dots. It just gives it a different kind of texture, and I really like how it looks. And this is the foil I'm gonna be using. As you can see, I've already used it. I just fold it on top of my nail, my finger, and I just start pressing it in place all over where I put the transfer gel. And I just repeat the same thing on all of the nails until I'm satisfied with the coverage. Now these ones I didn't want them to be 100% opaque with the foil, so I just kind of pressed it here and there and left little like clear spots in between. I thought it looked really cool and like metal. It was really nice. And here they are. But of course, when you're working with foil, you're gonna need to take some top coat and just seal that so that it doesn't go away. So I'm doing just that right now. I just got some clear top coat and I'm just covering all of the areas where I applied the foil. It's important to get the little dots. They're a lot of work. And if you want to avoid them as a beginner, you can just add the lines, but I really like how they look and they're worth the extra effort. So while we're curing these ones, I wanted to show you what's on my right hand, and you can see this design and many others on my Instagram at Maddie's Creative Corner. And here you can see it's a very nice spring inspired look with different colors and kind of like an embroidery inspired flowers. So after those have cured, we're gonna go ahead and apply some cuticle oil on all of the nails. We're gonna rub that in. And here they are. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was so much fun to make, and I always love making videos for beginners. I still feel like I'm a beginner myself since I'm not a professional nail artist, but I really enjoy making these videos for you. So let me know if you liked the video, leave a comment telling me what you thought, leave a like, subscribe for more videos every single Tuesday. And yeah, I will be seeing you guys next Tuesday. Have a great week and see you soon. Bye!